Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start a React project in WebStorm. I searched for some videos about it and I didn't find any, so I thought I would make a video about it because I had some problem when starting programming React. Yes, let's start. You open your WebStorm as I have done already, and then you go to File and you go to a new project. Create. We have just created this window. Yes, so we have created an empty project, and right now it's just empty. There is nothing in it. Yeah, and a very important point before even starting to program in React, you have to download node.js. I'm going to put the page on the description, down in the description bar on this video, where you can download node.js, because you really need to have it before you can start programming in React. Well, yes, we go back to the project we have just made, and we open the terminal, and we have to write some, install some things, and I'm just gonna yeah, I already wrote them down, so we just copy and paste, and there you go. I will put all this information in the description, down in the description. And yeah, we write npm init in this project, and we run it, and it will take a little bit as it's working. And we'll just wait for it. Yeah, it will take, yeah, and then we just go enter on this. There's no problem. Enter. Yeah, keep going. Yes, project. Yeah, that's finished. And now we had gotten a package JSON, and yeah, that's the first installation, and then we go with the next npm. Now we're going to install the npm, and here we go. Now we're going to also install the React libraries. So let's just copy paste it. There we go. We got it. Yes, all this, as I said before, will be in the description bar. I had a trouble in the beginning because I didn't know all the packages that had to be installed, and the React page wasn't that helpful, I thought. So after some research, I got it right. And React is a very interesting coding environment. I really am getting into it, and it's quite nice. But before you even can start learning it, you really have to be able to make a project, so you can start coding it and everything. Let's see now, it's still working. It will take a little while. And well, yeah, now we have the basics here, the webpack and webpack config and the index file. And now we will put finally, we will make the final touches just to show you guys how it is. And yes, and now if we see here in the WebStorm, we see I have just, in reality, the only thing I have done here is I have made I just copy pasted in a folder with different files, but yeah, this is just basic. It's like we have a CSS file, that is our basic. Right now it's nothing, and then we have our app, that is just our application right now, and yet the app which is loaded in here, it says app.js. Okay, this imports our app.js code. Okay, and here we have our basic React code. Right now I don't go into code because I think you guys can read about it. I'm just going like how you start a project in React, and yeah, so this was just the code. So, and as I said before, I will link it in the description. And well, we are finished. We just need to compile this. We're gonna do it. We just write webpack. See what happens, because everything should be. I missed. It was my fault. This was my fault. We can delete this file. We don't need this file. Our index.js. I think it is the main file. Yeah, okay, I understand. Main. Then we're gonna go. Yeah, now we just this is the code that will be compiled. So we're just saying it. We're gonna go to the app and then the main JS, that is this JS. So now we're just saying that, telling the compiler that yeah, compile the main JS, and with it open, you maybe type. Okay. Why is it? Okay. Okay. It's reading this app.js. We don't really need that. We just delete it. Good. Just deleted that because we don't really need that. Yeah, right now we don't need anything. We're just gonna go with hello world. So now it will work. It should be no problem. Yes, it worked. So now we just run it. There you go. Now you can see it. So yeah, it says hello world. And that is our basic code. And well, this is the different packages, so you can start programming your React on WebStorm. Yeah, thank you. And I will write all the steps on the description bar, so you'll find all the steps there, and you can follow the video also.